In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fastest level up on Steam using a simple strategy that many players overlook. Your Steam level isn't just for looks. Higher levels increase your friends list limit, improve your profile appearance, and make your account stand out in the community. The fastest way to gain Steam XP is by crafting badges using trading cards, and in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it efficiently. We'll go through where to find badges, how to complete card sets quickly, and a few extra tricks that can help you level up even faster. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Steam and go to your profile. Once you're there, click on the section called Badges. This page shows every badge you can earn and craft on your account. Most of your early Steam XP will come from crafting game badges using trading cards. Every time you craft a badge, you receive Steam XP, which contributes directly to your account level. Scroll through your badges and look for games where you already have some trading cards collected. Many games automatically drop cards while you play, so you might already be close to completing a set without realizing it. When you find a badge that is almost complete, you can finish the set and craft the badge for quick XP. Now, if you're missing cards for a set, the fastest method is to buy the remaining cards from the Steam community market. To do this, click on the badge and select the option to view cards on the market. Here you'll see all the missing cards listed with their prices. Many trading cards cost only a few cents, so completing a set can be extremely cheap. Purchase the cards you need, return to the badge page, and then craft the badge to instantly gain XP. One of the best tricks for leveling up quickly is crafting the same badge multiple times. Steam allows you to level up a badge several times as long as you have additional card sets. Each time you craft it again, you earn more XP. If you want to level up fast, you can buy multiple sets of cheap trading cards from the market and repeatedly craft that badge. This method is one of the fastest ways to boost your Steam level quickly. Another great opportunity to earn extra XP comes during Steam seasonal sales like the summer sale or winter sale. During these events, Steam often introduces special event badges. These badges can usually be crafted by completing simple store activities or collecting event cards. Since millions of users participate in these events, event cards are usually inexpensive and easy to obtain, making them a very efficient way to gain additional XP. You should also complete the Steam community tasks to earn the community badge. This badge is unlocked by doing simple things like adding a friend, setting an avatar, writing a review, or exploring parts of the Steam interface. It only takes a few minutes to complete and gives you easy XP early on, which helps boost your level quickly. And that's basically the fastest method to level up on Steam. Craft trading card badges, buy missing cards from the community market, craft badges multiple times, participate in sale events, and complete community tasks. If this video helped you learn something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Steam tutorials and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.